today I very proudly say our India Manufacturing Show has become an international brand. Lot of international participation have started coming to participating in our industry, in our exhibition.
With these words, I once again congratulate Laghu Udyog Bharati and IMS for having organized successfully for 7 times, more than 14 years it has been now done. It has proved its useful existence. I once again thank them, wish them all the best for the next event also.
This has become a very important biannual calendar event, a marquee event for Bengaluru and for all those who are involved in the Indian manufacturing scene. On behalf of all of you, I once again congratulate Laghu Udyog Bharati and the leadership, IMS, in such a grand fashion. Each year it has only been growing. Once again, all the very best.
On behalf of India Exposition Mart and Laghu Udyog Bharati, it is my privilege to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for joining us today at the inaugural function of the 7th edition of the India Manufacturing Show, IMS 2025.